Hello, you are welcome to solve this Maths Olympiad problem. Suppose that A, B, C, and D, here is D, are positive integers that satisfy the equations AC plus BD, which is equal to 34, and AD plus BC, which is equal to 43. So find the value of A plus B plus C plus D from the given systems of equation. Let's go to the solution. So let A plus BD, which is equal to 34, is equation 1, and AD plus BC, which is equal to 43, will be equation 2. Now let's add these two systems of equations simultaneously. Add equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. As follows. So AC plus BD, which is equal to 34, and AD plus BC is equal to 43. So this will be AC plus AD plus BD plus BC, which is equal to 34 plus 43, which is equal to 77. And let's say this equation as equation 3. So from this equation, from equation 3, we can factor out A and B. So this equation will be A into, we have common A here, so C plus D, plus we have B common here, B into C plus D, which is equal to 77. So we can factor out C plus D, so this equation will be A plus B times the common term, which is C plus D, which is equal to 77. Now in the next step we have to find the factor of 77. So find factor of 77, which are 77 1 times 77, which is can be 7 times 11, 77 can be 11 times 7, and 77 can be 77 times 1. So we have here factor of 77 since A, B, C, and D are positive integers. A positive integers, so A plus B and also C plus D are each positive integers and are each at least 2, which means since A, B, C, and D are positive integers, which means greater than or equal to 1, then A plus B is greater than or equal to 2, and C plus D is greater than or equal to 2, because our boundary is positive integers. So now we have to take a factor of 77, which is greater than 2. So now we have to take factor of 77, which is greater than or equal to 2. So from here we have 1 in 77, so it cannot be included in our solution. 7 times 11 included, so A plus B times C plus D is equal to 77. So this will be A plus B times C plus D is equal to 7 times 11, since 7 is greater than 2, because A plus B must be greater than 2, and also C plus D is 11, which is greater than 2. So finally, and also other term, which is 11 times 7, also another alternative, but final answer will be the same. So now we have this equation. From this equation, A plus B is equal to 7, and C plus D is equal to 11. If we take 11 times 17, this will be, if we take 11 times 17, A plus B, which is equal to 11, and C plus D will be 7. So now finally we are asked to determine A plus B. So A plus B plus C plus D, which is equal to, A plus B is, let's say, 7, plus C plus D is 11. So finally A plus B plus C plus D will be 18, and this is the final solution for our problem. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.